Welcome to the adaptation. Welcome to the adaptation to industry trends on Business Development Academy. The objective of this training, one, monitoring industry trends. Two, technology adoption in business. Three, competitive analysis. Four, agility and flexibility in business. Five, embrace sustainability practices. Six, innovation strategies. All these are what we are going to look at in this module. Monitoring industry trends. I don't know the industry you are currently, but I will use my industry as an example. In the industry of business writings, things are changing rapidly with the introduction of AI into the industry. And when we discovered this, we started looking at, and that led us to started creating a platform that use AI to write business plan. Currently, the platform is still at the final stage of development. So we want that to be to our advantage and not to disadvantage. So you need to study the industry trends. This entails monitoring industry trends involves tracking changes, developments, and emerging patterns in the market, technology, consumer behavior, and regulation. The objective, anticipating market shifts and opportunities, identifying threats and risks to business operation, informing strategic decision-making planning, research, industry reports, and data analysis tools to stay informed about industry trends. Attend industry conferences, webinars, networking events to connect with peers and thought leaders. Foster a culture of curiosity and learning within the organization to encourage continuous monitoring and adaptation to industry trends. So look at market, look at customer, look at social, look at technology. If you don't respond to industry trends, it will get to a time that you will discover that your business is no more relevant in the grand scheme of things. Technology adoption in business. Technology adoption, embracing digital tools, platforms, and solutions to enhance operational efficiency, productivity, and competitiveness. The benefits, streamlining processes and workflow, improving customer experience and engagement, enabling data-driven decision-making, facilitating remote work and collaboration. Practical tips. Assess business needs and objectives to identify technology solutions that align with strategic goals. Invest in employee training and development to ensure effective utilization and adoption of technology. Stay updated with emerging technologies and industry best practices to maintain a competitive edge in the market. In my industry as well, where we create and sell courses, we discovered that there are new platforms coming and hosting needs. So it's left for us to embrace those technology and study them. Okay. Comparative analysis and benchmarking. Comparative analysis, evaluating competitors, market dynamics, and industry benchmark To identify strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Objectives: to understand market positioning and differentiation, identifying areas for improvement and innovation, informing strategic decision-making and resource allocation. Practical tips: conduct SWOT, which is strength, weakness, opportunity, and strength analysis to assess competitive landscape and internal capacity. Benchmark performance metrics and KPIs. Regularly review and update competitive analysis to adapt to changing market conditions and dynamics. What we are saying is that don't close your eyes from what your competitors are doing. Put eyes and try to see where the industry trends are going. You need to be aware of your environment. You need to create and conduct consistently your competitive analysis doing so that you are not left behind. Agility and flexibility in business. Agility, ability to respond quickly and effectively to changes, challenges, and opportunity in the business environment. I remember the story I mentioned about the introduction of AI into our industry. We were agile enough to study it and to leverage on it to see how we could also create something that will be made of AI. Another one is flexibility, adaptability, and willingness to adjust strategies, processes, and operations to meet evolving market demands and customer needs. We also have practical tips here. Foster a culture of innovation, experimentation, and continuous improvement within the organization. Implement agile methodologies and frameworks such as Scrum or Kanban to streamline workflow and decision-making process. If you need to enroll your staff in project management, agile methodology, Scrum methodology, just go ahead and do so that it can help your workflow and your decision-making process. Encourage open communication, collaboration, and feedback to facilitate agility and flexibility in business operations. Let's look at embracing sustainability practices. Sustainability practices, adopting environmental friendly, socially responsible, and economically viable practice to minimize environmental impact and create long-term value, benefit, enhancing brand reputation and customer loyalty, reducing operational costs and resource consumption, attracting socially conscious investors and stakeholders. Practical tips: implement energy efficiency measures, waste reduction initiatives, and sustainable sourcing practices across business operations. Engage with stakeholders, suppliers, and partners to promote sustainability and ethical practices throughout the supply chain. Measure and track sustainability performance metrics to monitor progress and identify areas for improvement. Let's look at innovation strategies. One other comment I will mention about sustainability. Of recent, there's more emphasis on climate change and things like that. And there are grants that helps or that focus on sustainability projects that encourage things around climate change that will help to encourage green activity and things like that. There are a lot of grants for it. Innovation strategies, cultivating innovation culture. Innovation strategies, encouraging creativity, experimentation, and risk-taking to drive breakthrough ideas, products, and processes. Key elements: Encouraging idea generation and collaboration. See, in your business, you must encourage your staff to continue to generate new ideas to improve your system, processes, and procedures. Allocating resources and incentives for innovation projects. Embracing failure as a learning opportunity. Practical tips. Establish innovation hubs, incubators, or idea labs to foster cross-functional collaboration and brainstorming. Implement structured innovation processes such as design thinking, lean startup methodologies to validate ideas and iterate quickly. When you have new ideas in your organization, you need to use methodologies like design thinking or lean startup methodologies to validate those ideas. Another one is to recognize and reward employees for innovative contribution and achievement to reinforce a culture of innovation. You need to innovate in your business. Don't just continue to do the same thing the same way without new things happening in your business. Innovation simply means doing new things, especially old things in a new way. That's innovation. Find new ways of doing things in your business. Navigating disruption in the industry. There are industries that has been a lot of disruptions. And most businesses within that industry, if they don't respond to it, they fizzle out in no time. You can remember what happened to Nokia. There was another business like that the CEO said, we did nothing wrong. The only thing they did wrong was the fact that they didn't innovate and they fizzle out of business. Look at Netflix today, where you have a lot of videos. So people don't go to places where they borrow movies again. All those things are now things of the past. They just pay a subscription and they have access to thousands of movies. In the past, you only pay for one movie. But now, the money to pay for one movie, you can use it to pay for thousands of movies that you can watch within a month. So that's disruption. Industry disruption, unexpected events, trends, or developments that impact market dynamics, consumer behaviors, and business operations. Strategies, anticipating and preparing for potential disruption, implementing contingency plan and risk mitigation strategy, seizing opportunities for innovation and adaptation. Practical tips. These practical tips will help you. These are what you are learning here now is strategies to help your business. Conduct scenario planning and risk assessment to identify potential disruptor and their potential impact on business. This scenario planning, you could do this during the end of the year company's retreat. You could do scenario planning, right? Develop resilience and flexibility in business supply chain and operations and business model to withstand disruptions and adapt quickly. Stay agile and proactive. When we say stay agile, that means be very swift when you are responding to things like this. Stay agile and proactive in responding to changes in the industry landscape, leveraging technology and innovation to capitalize on emerging opportunities. Thank you for attending the Business Development Academy. Look out for our next video. Thank you.